Hey YouTubers and motorcycle enthusiasts, here's my next project, 1975 Honda CB750k. Just picked this one up, just got home with it. I thought I'd do a quick walk around video of it, just to show everybody. Motorcycle's in really good shape for its age. It does not run, so we'll be looking into that later. The bike's been kind of converted into a cafe racer type motorcycle. As you can see, there's a lot of things that have been done to this motorcycle. A lot of modifications: exhaust pipe, oil coolers, K&N filters, brakes, brake lines, in really good shape. I can see one little issue there already. Those carburetors are not seated in the boots. All in all, a really clean bike to start a restoration on. So I decided to dive into the non-running issue on this CB750. So the gentleman I bought this motorcycle from said the left side of the engine was making a lot of noise in the valve train. So the first thing I did was take the tappet covers off to take a look. And lo and behold, this is what I found. The adjustment screw and the nut are completely missing. So I took my pencil magnet and I was able to fish the nut out of there. It was laying right down beside the valve spring. But I could not see the adjustment screw. What I ended up doing was pulling all the valve cover screws, rocking the valve cover back and to the side, and I could look down in next to the valve better. And sure enough, way down next to the valve spring, in one of the oil passages that drains the oil back to the bottom end, was the screw that adjusts the valves. My pencil magnet was too big around to get down in the little passageway to pull out the valve adjusting screw. So I thought about it for a while and I came up with a way of trying to fish it out of there. So I looked around the garage a little bit, thought of something that I might be able to use to pull those little tappet screws out. And here it is. This stuff is really sticky. So I took a little dab of this glue trap and I put it on the end of a screwdriver. Long skinny screwdriver that would go down in the hole. With a little twisting action, I was able to extract the piece. As you notice, that's only half of it. The other half was down in there also. I extracted it the same way. So here are the pieces I extracted. I then put the valve cover back on, got a new tappet adjustment screw and nut, assembled it and did a valve adjustment. Okay, so I bought this non-running CB750. The gentleman told me he had drained the gas and the oil out of it when he put it in storage about 6 years ago. I put gas in it, put oil in it, pulled the float bowls off to make sure the carburetors were in fact drained, and luckily they were. And now we're going to see if it'll start up and run. All right, let's see if it'll run. Maybe give it a little choke. pressure. Wow, amazing. No valve noise. Well, there we are. The thing starts and runs. I'll probably be doing a full restoration on it this winter. Not sure what to do with it yet, whether to make it a cafe racer or back to the original stock. Anyway, thanks for watching.